Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about the best tips and tricks to land new clients that we use within our agency. I've talked about this before within our content, but the number one thing that makes the biggest difference to landing clients is the offer, okay? So if you are offering a complicated service that requires a lot of ticks in the boxes and it's very complicated, then you're going to have a higher barrier of reluctance for clients to move forward with you. So what we do as an agency is simply offer leads. So our offer to the client is, would you like 100 leads? And it's a very simple yes or no. If they say yes, then we pass them over to our accounts team. We build the advertising accounts, generate the leads for them, the 100's out of the way, and they either continue or they don't. It's very simple, a very easy offer to sell. If they don't want to buy, then we say that's fine and we follow up in a month's time or something like that. But that is the number one barrier of entry, is having an easy offer that sells. And I recommend, if you are trying to sell to and land clients at the moment, have a look at what your offer is. If you change it and simplify it a little bit, then you'll find that it's much easier to land clients. The number two tip and trick that we use, well, it's not really a trick, but we use in the agency, if we do get someone that's interested and wants to find out more, then you have to take the time to kind of tell them what they need in a way. You almost have to craft your response to them and get a feel for what type of person they are, so you can give them what they need. Some people are really kind of ROI, they've got a dominant ROI personality, so they're always asking, how much money am I going to make from these leads? In that case, if that is the type of person, then you might need to go and talk to other clients that you've ran leads for in the past and find out what the ROI is and give them a very accurate response to that. Other people might be really interested in what your funnels look like or what your ads look like. So if you're running ads in that industry, take some time to have some screenshots of your ads. Show them your landing page. Show them what their landing page would look like if you're going to be doing work with them, and really kind of touch base with them in a visual way. That sometimes helps. So another really cool, this is like a trick actually that we use, is to create the funnel for the client before we actually sell to them. And this is really powerful. So for example, if we want to land a really big client, we use our skills in Unbounce to create their landing page, for example, or the advertorial that leads to their landing page. Because Unbounce is such a fantastic tool, it's like a drag and drop builder, and you can knock up some landing pages and some branded stuff really, really quickly. And it just impresses the hell out of a client if you can show that you've spent a couple of hours putting together a really good funnel that matches their brand. It's almost impossible for them to say no. So there you have it, guys. A few tips and tricks to landing clients the easy way. If you want to learn more, head over to flexible.com, have a look at our website, take the quiz that we got on there. We'd love to be able to help you out. See you soon.